So, no way you can get a tweezer and get it out.
No, are you kidding me? Yeah, I see
You
that.
see?
Mhm.
So, they
You're
have a
sliding
hole
it out
right
with those
here.
holes.
Exactly.
Oh my God. See, I don't have the patience you have.
See, look. It coming out.
It is awesome.
See?
And then you can get tweezers. Oh, I'm so...
I get it out for you.
No, that's my fault. It was in there.
It was in there?
Use that tool to pop it out.
Oh, I see.
And then the SIM card popped in, and then I put the tray back in, but no.
I got you. I got you.
I couldn't get it to fit on the tray. I thought, well, I guess you just pop it in the... I should have just waited. It was late. I was tired.
You were
It was
tired.
like midnight.
Yep.
2 a.m.
It's a brand new phone. This is a brand new phone. Cái sừng quay cho bà ra.
AT&T phone LG đẹp. LG đẹp.
Yeah, it's velvet. It's beautiful. LG, they don't make LG anymore, so.
I'm gonna try to get that thing out.
See, I have to take the ball off too. On the other side, the hole on the other side.
What?
Yeah. That's all right. We going this far, we get it.
God.
The hard part is take the blade,
So
the back off.
I'm so stupid.
This job gonna cost you more. It's just Brandon is my good friend.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can tell. You can tell this is not easy.
No, totally can tell. I was like, oh, this is gonna cost me.
That's all right. This Brandon is.
Just paid for the phone, broke it. It's
The chip is in here. Now
oh my God.
I'm gonna have to take the thin tweezer to get it out. But this way it's not harmful your phone, you know. You might need another chip.
Oh my God. I don't think so. I hope not.
You wanna come here and see?
You can see it?
Yeah. I push it out.
Stupid.
No, you're
can't
not.
watch.
You don't know, you don't know.
I can't watch.
You can't watch? Now it come out.
It's like surgery.
Now I have to put everything back in. So now.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's put it back in.
I'm just freaking out because I haven't been able to work for 2 days and I just got the best job in my lifetime and I can't afford to lose it.
Yeah.
Biết ông
Like if
Brandon
they
không?
can't get a hold of me, it
Hả?
won't be good.
Biết ông Brandon.
Brandon hồi xưa làm cho chú lúc mà chú về Việt Nam á.
Dạ.
I would tie it in.
I gotta go get my drink.
Margarita?
I wish. It's just
Too early.
peach iced tea.
Let's see what happened, okay?
Okay.
Sang lấy cho chú cái băng keo không
It doesn't hurt my feelings any that you're nice too. That helps. You
Oh.
could have been some kind of jerk.
Nah.
But you're very nice.
Why? You pay me, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
So you're gonna be nice to me because I got the money.
Yeah. Think it means somebody text you or
I know.
notification.
I said
Let's make a phone call. What's your call for? What?
864.
No. What is it?
My number?
No,
Oh,
call
3122.
3122. Let's make a phone call, okay?
Yeah.
I see it's working, but I just wanna.
Thank you. I don't have any more information than you do, but he was a jerk. I'm just FedExing for
That's
you.
your phone.
Oh, thank you.
It's ringing. That
You
means
rock.
it's good.
From Montana.
There
From
you go.
Shanna.
There you go. You can live here and have adventure everywhere.
Well, now I am.
Yeah. Not too late. Never too late.
I miss my best friend.
Never too late.
I missed everybody. Yeah, COVID just kind of
Yeah. And it's
put me. I was already like borderline ready to come home, and then COVID put me over the edge.
ta-da.
Oh, Boo, you're the best.
Well, let me help you.
Best friend.
Well,
You're my best friend.
you're gonna.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You have a girlfriend? Are you married?